Namaste to everyone. I welcome you all in my YouTube video channel. Today, I will deliver lecture on trigonometry degree level chapter Summation of Trigonometrical Series by C+iS method. Lecture number 1, in which the series C+iS in GP. Firstly, we should know that what is the C+iS method. Now we try to make you clear this. Let we have a cosine series of the form A naught cos alpha plus A1 cos alpha plus beta plus A2 cos alpha plus 2 beta plus plus an minus 1 cos alpha plus n minus 1 beta. Let this is denoted by C. Let this is number 1. Now let S equal to, here we change the cosine into sine in each term. A naught sine alpha plus A1 sine alpha plus beta plus A2 sine alpha plus 2 beta plus plus an minus 1 sine alpha plus n minus 1 beta. This is number 2. Therefore, C plus IS, I equal to square root minus 1. Then C plus IS is A naught cos alpha plus I sin alpha plus A1 cos alpha plus beta plus I sin alpha plus beta plus A2 cos alpha plus 2 beta plus I sin alpha plus 2 beta plus plus an minus 1 cos alpha plus n minus 1 beta plus I sin alpha plus n minus 1 beta. Let this is number 3. Implies that C plus IS equal to A naught cos alpha plus I sin alpha is e to the power I alpha plus A1. This is e to the power I alpha plus beta plus a2 e to the power I alpha plus 2 beta plus dot 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 plus a n minus 1 e to the power I alpha plus n minus 1 beta. Let this is number 4. Right hand side of the 4 may be one of the following series. Number 1 in GP, number 2 binomial series, number 3 exponential series, number 4 logarithmic series, number 5 sine or cosine series, number 6 Gregory series. Then we separate the real and imaginary parts of the series. Then the real part will be C, which is the summation of the series given in number 1. In this chapter, we will deal with all those series of C+iS form in GP. Now we solve a problem. Problem is find the sum of the series to n terms. Series is 1 plus x cos theta plus x square cos 2 theta plus dot 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 dot. Now we solve this. Let C equal to 1 plus x cos theta plus x square cos 2 theta plus dot 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 plus nth term will be x to the power n minus 1 cos n minus 1 theta. Let this is number 1. Now let S equal to x sine theta plus x square sine 2 theta plus dot 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 plus x to the power n minus 1 sine n minus 1 theta. Let this is number 2. Therefore C plus IS equal to 1 plus x common cos theta plus I sin theta plus x square cos 2 theta plus I sin 2 theta plus dot 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 plus x to the power n minus 1 cos n minus 1 theta plus I sin n minus 1 theta. This is equal to 1 plus x cos theta plus I sin theta is e to the power I theta plus x square cos 2 theta plus I sin 2 theta is e to the power I 2 theta plus dot 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 plus x to the power n minus 1 e to the power I n minus 1 theta. This is number 3. The series is in GP, geometrical progression, in which first term equal to 1, common ratio equal to x e to the power I theta. Therefore C plus is equal to first term multiply 1 minus r x e to the power I theta to the power n by 1 minus r common ratio x e to the power I theta, and this will be equal to 1 minus x to the power n e to the power I n theta by 1 minus x e to the power I theta. We multiply this by 1 minus x e to the power, here I theta, we write here minus I theta. 1 minus x e to the power minus I theta. And this will be equal to, if we multiply this, multiply by 1 this term, 1 minus x e to the power minus I theta. We multiply this minus x to the power n e to the power I n theta minus minus plus x to the power n plus 1 e to the power I n minus 1 theta. And here we multiply this term by 1 minus x e to the power minus I theta minus x e to the power I theta plus x square e to the power I theta plus minus I theta e to the power 0, and this will be equal to 1 minus, here x value of this is cos theta minus I sin theta, value of this minus x to the power n multiply cos n theta plus I sin n theta plus x to the power n plus 1 cos n minus 1 theta plus I sin n minus 1 theta by, here 1 minus, we take common x e to the power I theta plus e to the power minus I theta plus x square. Now we collect the real parts. 1 minus x cos theta, here minus x to the power n cos n theta, here plus x to the power n plus 1 cos n minus 1 theta plus I, here minus minus plus x sin theta, here minus x to the power n sin n theta, x to the power n sin n theta, here plus x to the power n plus 1 sin n minus 1 theta by 1 minus x e to the power I theta is cos theta plus I sin theta, and e to the power minus I theta is cos theta minus I sin theta plus x square, and this will be equal to 1 minus x cos theta minus x to the power n cos n theta plus x to the power n plus 1 cos n minus 1 theta by here I sin theta cancel, 1 minus 2x cos theta plus x square plus I here x sin theta minus x to the power n sin n theta plus x to the power n plus 1 sin n minus 1 theta by 1 minus 2x cos theta plus x square, equating real part of both sides, we get C equal to 1 minus x cos theta minus x to the power n cos n theta plus x to the power n plus 1 cos n minus 1 theta by 1 minus 2x cos theta plus x square, and this is the required answer. Now we solve the next problem. Next problem is find the sum of the series 1 plus cos theta multiply cos theta plus cos square theta multiply cos 2 theta plus cos q theta multiply cos 3 theta plus dot 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 dot. Now we solve this. Let x equal to cos theta implies that modulus of x equal to modulus of cos theta. This is less than equal to 1. This is number 1. This is number 2. Using 1 in the given series, we get 1 plus x cos theta plus x square cos 2 theta plus x cube cos 3 theta plus dot 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 dot, and let this is C, let, and this is number 3. Let S equal to x sin theta plus x square sin 2 theta plus x cube sin 3 theta plus dot 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 dot. This is number 4. Therefore, C plus IS equal to 1 plus x cos theta plus I sin theta plus x square cos 2 theta plus I sin 2 theta plus x cube cos 3 theta plus I sin 3 theta plus dot 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 dot. This is equal to 1 plus x cos theta plus I sin theta is e to the power I theta plus x square e to the power I multiply 2 theta plus x cube e to the power I 3 theta plus dot 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 dot. This is number 5. Since this series in GP, geometrical progression, such that first term equal to 1, common ratio equal to x e to the power I theta. Let this is R. Since modulus of R equal to modulus of x e to the power I theta. This is modulus of x, modulus of e to the power I theta. This is less than equal to 1. Since modulus of x less than equal to 1 and modulus of e to the power I theta equal to 1. Therefore, C+iS, this is an infinite series. So, this will be, sum will be first term by 1 minus r. This will be equal to 1 by 1 minus r means x e to the power I theta, and this will be equal to 1 by 1 minus x e to the power I theta multiply 1 minus x e to the power minus I theta by 1 minus x e to the power minus I theta, and this will be equal to 1 minus x cos theta minus I sin theta by 1 minus x e to the power minus I theta minus x e to the power I theta plus x square e to the power 0 I theta minus I theta 0. This equal to 1 minus x cos theta minus minus plus plus I x sin theta. Here 1 minus x common e to the power I theta plus here minus I theta plus e to the power I theta plus x square implies that C plus IS equal to 1 minus x cos theta plus I x sin theta by 1 minus x cos theta minus I sin theta e to the power minus I theta equal to cos theta minus I sin theta, and e to the power I theta means cos theta plus I sin theta, cos theta plus I sin theta plus x square. This equal to here minus I sin theta plus I sin theta cancel. This is cos theta. 1 minus x cos theta by 1 minus 2x cos theta, cos theta plus cos theta, 2 cos theta, and plus x square plus I x sin theta by 1 minus 2x cos theta plus x square, equating the real part. We get C equal to 1 minus x cos theta by 1 minus 2x cos theta plus x square, and we write this 1 minus, putting value of x, cos theta multiply cos theta by 1 minus 2 cos theta multiply cos theta plus cos theta square, putting x equal to cos theta, and this will be equal to 1 minus cos square theta by 1 minus 2 cos square theta plus cos square theta, and this will be equal to 1 minus cos square theta by 1 minus cos square theta equal to 1, which is the required answer. Note, S will be equal to imaginary part x sin theta by 1 minus x cos theta plus x square. This is x means cos theta multiply sin theta by 1 minus denominator is cos square theta, and this will be cos theta sin theta by sin square theta. This will be sin theta, 1 sin theta cancel, cot theta. Thanks for watching my video. If you are satisfied with my presentation and contents, then please click on like button. And if you have not yet subscribed my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.